First thing, file open data. Then you choose a containing folder. Desktop. We choose type Excel. We are going to do HDDS. Okay, this is our data view and this is the variable view. As you can see, starting from touch down to SPI, so far it's still string and it. So we want to record. Tudabvisa yes awa kumaisa kuma 1, no awa tobva tamaisa kuma 0 so that we can add. But tinofanirwa kuziva kuti kana akaramba ari mastring haabvumi kuadda. So first thing, record into same variable. Todaita record kutangira pano pastach uchidzika. Are we following, guys? Hello?
Yes, we are. We are following.
All right, fine. Okay, then old and new values. Old value is yes, we want to change it to 1. We add.
Okay.
We want to change no
to 0.
Yes, to 0, then we add. We continue. Click OK. Yeah, this output inenge chingoshowa zvawaita. Create a data set. Ndikachinja record starch what. Yes to 1, no to 0. You minimize it, you go. This data rako ramira, yes ako ama 1, no ako ama 0. But variable view, kubva pana starch 0 ne 1 aya kusvika zvichidzira, they are still strings. Ukachinda right now ukanoti compute ukacalculate HDDS yako inokurambira. Why? Strings can't perform mathematical operations. So first thing, we have to change these strings to become numeric. We change all of them. Yeah, kune vachangotibata tiri kuita HDDS. Tabva taita record into the same variable, tikachinja yes edu akabva aita 1, no edu akabva aita 0. Right now tiri kuchinja ku variable view, tiri kuchinja strings kuti aite numeric, so that paunozoedda paya zvibvume. Ukasiya ariko kuma strings hazviite, hauwani an answer, inotokurambira. In case pane someone anokanganwa kuzomachinja, zvinokurambira. Kana zvakurambira, just come here ungobva ungochinja strings acho obva aita numeric. Then if you go then and compute HDDS yako inobuda. So we now want to compute HDDS. Transform compute variable. HDDS is equal to, we add from starch Any question? So we click OK after that. HDDS is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 food groups. We click OK. Inova execute ya computer HDDS yako. The formula is here. Output. You minimize the output. We can see that this is our HDDS. Kana tichida ku reduce manamba emakoma, we can simply come here. HDDS yako decimals at square, we can reduce them to 0. It depends. You can leave it as not as change. Since 0,00 ndio 0, 6,00 ndio 6, so it doesn't change anything. Right now we have this data. We want.
Hello.
Hello.
Handizivi kuti ndini ndega here parakuita noise hazvichanatsunzwika.
Pana ari ku
akuita maecho.
All right. So makunzwa kwenu?
Pamwe handisi kuti ari kunzwa here.
Yes, tiri kunzwa zvakanaka.
All right. Zvakunzwika kwenu?
All
right, let's proceed. Takuda kuenda ku analysis. First thing, we can analyze compare my district. So analyze compare means. We use means. The independent variable is district. The dependent variable HDDS, it depends on the district. So it comes to the dependent list. Option, we choose. We only need mean. So we deselect others. We only left with mean. We want mean. Mean is the average, right? Click OK. So tineka katebo kanenka buda ak. So we can paste it to Excel, then to create a graph, to a comparison using HDDS, average HDDS. So I'm going to copy this. Now which paste it to Excel. This total is the grand total. Is the average HDDS for the whole province. So HDDS yedu is an average. HDDS. We can choose. Then insert recommended charts. You see, ndamaka ndikasiya total because I need only the district. Wange, Lupane, Ngai, Edi Umguza. We can add data label so that we can see. HDDS yedu inorana from 0 up to 11, right? But we are seeing good Wange in a 5,37. Now you can make an interpretation. Wange in a 5,37, followed by Ngai. Then Lupane and Umguza and Lupane, they are far much better placed as compared to any other districts. So we refer takataura kuti HDDS inoshandisiwa as a tool to measure food access level. So vanenge vane higher mark kana kuti vane diversity vachidya chikafu chakawanda vane capacity to access food. Iri kuita ma-echoes oro panesa mwana ari ku asina mutafoni yake iri kuita.
I think the echo is coming from those who haven't muted their mics. Maybe if we can all mute our mics, then only turn on when communicating.
Yeah,
True.
Yeah, so make sure everyone you mute your microphone. Unongoita unmute when you want to speak. So it's not bazira. Saka apa anything to add up. Just we know HDDS in range from 0 to 11. We interpret comparing. This one is the average HDDS for the whole. In English total. So the whole province rakagara pa 5.95. You make a conclusion and the interpretation uchishandisa inoshandiswa kudi ku measure food access. Utaura kuti vana vari kuwana chikafu 5.9 out of 11. Diversity yavo is very limited. They only have choice of 6. What it means actually they are struggling to access food because the highest mark is 11. Whenever you make a choice. Let's move on to another analysis. Minimize toya data redu analyze descriptive frequency. We want to see frequency HDDS. We come to statistics. We choose. True that mean say median we might not need, quartiles we might need them, maybe skewness, minimum and maximum. Let's minimum and maximum. We can click continue, click OK. This is the information. We are going to see that mean for the whole it's 5.95. For the whole HDDS. Let's rush to go kune each. We can copy this one. Let me paste it to Excel so that we can say something. We can see let me maximize. Yeah. 0, 1, 32, 1, 1, 25, up to a total of 302. We can see van varikuwa na HDDS ye 0 i 32 vachiconstituta mapesenti mangani 10.6. Vane 1 i 25 i 8.3. Then tudaona kuti maybe you choose kuti vanhu vari kunyanya kutamburisa ndevane HDDS ye 4. Very limited to only a choice of 4 food groups. So we want to know the percentage yekubva pa 0 to 4. Tinoiwana papi? Pa cumulative. Right? Ndizvo handiti? If we add these percent, tinowana 35. Kubva pa 0 kusvika pa 4, tinowana 35. As you can see here, 35.8 is the sum. 35.8 ndio inenge iri panapa. So per cumulative you can say which interpreter using cumulative Those who have 0 up to 4, 35% of the whole population. So we can see that 35.8% of the population are struggling to get food. So we need the assistance of these 35.8 people. If you want to know how many of them, you can add these ones. You can see that there are 108 people who need assistance. So this one is good per analysis here. We can do a chart. Allow me to copy this one. Yeah, we can insert. Nango select apa. Banana 0 ne frequency yacho. Insert a recommended chart. Now we have this chart. Vane 0 vangane, vane 1 vangane, vane 2 vangane, up to 11. Now it can make sense. So that you can simply identify kuti vanhu vashoma vari kuside uku kana kuti vari kuside uku vari below half nevari above half. You can now interpreting kuti vanhu vane 0 up to 5 vanhu ava vari kutambura zvikuru because vane limited food, vane limited diversity of food yavainayo, so they need help. Ukapresenta izvi like muparliament, they can see that kune vanhu 32 vari kutoshayiwa chikafu. Actually ava vanhu ava naturally it's impossible kuti uwane dietary diversity ye0 unenge usingadya because the diversity yako is 0, hauna choice, hausi kutodya. So you are actually starving. In other words, you are dying. So you need help as soon as possible. So you can copy this one, or you can choose to copy one of them and you present it on order ku Word. We can also use this one. Maybe you want to know per district, analyze a descriptive to cross tabs. Cross tabs, ma rows angu ndoda kuti aitenge ari ma district. Then HDDS yangu ndoda ona HDDS yakamira sei pama district by district. Tinouya kutokwanisa kuisa total and column total. Click OK. This is the table. Unfortunately, you can't see it. Let me try to paste it somewhere here. So this is Hwange district. Vanhu vane 0 muHwange 18. Vane 1 i4. Apa nangoisa column total. You can see that the total yevanhu vane 0 vangani i32. Sezvamboonekwa paya ku frequency. Vane 0 ingani i32. Takuona kuti breakdown ye32 vaya 18 vari muHwange, 7 vari kupi. So we know kuti tonyanya kunanga kupi kune vanhu vari kufa vakawanda. As you can see, muHwange mune 56.3 of those people. Umguza ine 2 people, ine 5, but ine percentage hombe ndeipi? The E Hwange. So you know where to go first. you know where to go. If you want to save life, 18 people havana chokudya, havane zero. Actually they are struggling, so vane zero. Wombochekawo from 0 up to 4 kuti ndekupi kumwe kwandinganyanya kunanga. Then you can interpret maybe kuti vanhu vatiri kuti ava vane need yehelp, tingati vane 9, 10, 11. You can sum up their percentage. 3,6, 5,3. You can see kuti vane ma-percent mangani. They actually 24.5. Ukaclicka anything pa ma-sales sum yacho ine summary pazasi inobudisa in this green line. Munobudisa summary inokudza count of 3, sum of selected sales i 24.5%. So ndo zvimwe zvatilana kuti 24.5% vane 9, 10, 11. These people, they don't need help. So kataona kuti 24.5 they don't need help. Yes, they need little assistance, but all in all vanhu vanoda help vangani. You can add the percentage, woona kuti is 75.5. Waita breakdown using district. You want to know where to go first. As a presentation in parliament, you should give vanhu a clear action yokuti munanga kupi kana muchida kunobetsera. The well wishers, you can start by going to Wange kana kuti vazhinji vacho nangai kuwange. Ndo kune vanhu vari kutambura zvakanyanyisa as compared to any other district. I'm sure we are done with HDDS. Any questions, addition, subtraction, you should make sure munaisa ma chart my titles, more plus my axis titles. Our HDDS, our machi ma rankings actually from 0 up to 1. Sorry, this one is HDDS. E frequency, number of people. Are we clear there? Indo HDDS, Indo number of people in that HDDS score. I'm done with HDDS. Any contribution, addition, subtraction, or multiplication? Hey, say something, guys. Hello? Did you know Andy?
Hello.
Yes. Someone is raised their hand. Cynthia Mawema.
All right. Yeah, she can speak.
Thank you, Unanimous. This is very useful. I just wanted to add, Kuti.
Hello? Ndini siri kumuzwa uro ndini siri kunzwika?
Hatisiri kumunzwa.
All right. Anyone any contribution? Chera mne contribution? Hello? All right, let's move on, guys.
Hello, we can hear you. We can hear you.
All right. Angachibvunza question abva. Angachibvunza question. All right, we can entertain a question kana adzoka. Let's move on. Takuda kuenda pa FCS. As you can see, unombosave my data coach, save as or save a name like so that it won't confuse you. takuda kuisa new data set, takuda kuenda pa FCS. Let's start by file open data, file type Excel. Let's move to FCS. FCS I'm looking for my weights FCS. Oh. So tasvika pa data ra FCS, transform compute variable. We write FCS FCS yedu, we are going to say starch multiplied by 2 plus beans multiplied by what? By 3, right? Ndizvo. Plus vegetable multiplied by 1. Guys, mrudizwa.
Where are we getting it?
Yes,
tiri
we are
kutenda.
here.
Oh, kune data, kune Excel sheet redu rine ma weights anditi.
Yeah,
Rine ma weights. FCS yedu ino multiply na ma weights. Unfortunately, that's now open na ma weights. These are the weights per FCS yedu.
Okay.
Okay.
This ones 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, 4, 0,5, 0,5. So starch multiplied by 2, no weight here, beans multiplied by 3, vegetable multiplied by 1, fruits multiplied by what? 1, plus the following 2 energy 4, multiplied by 4, plus milk multiplied by 4, plus it's multiplied by 0,5 plus the last one multiplied by 0,5. Two, 3, 1, 1, 4, 4, 0,5, 0,5. These are our weights. Right. Saka tichiti food group multiplied by its weight. Starch multiplied by its weight. Yeah, beans multiplied by its weight. Chi plus like what we did here. So we click OK. Tabo. FCS yedu irapa. Don't worry about the numbers after the comma. They won't change anything. So leave them. I gotta save those. Takwinda pa next step. We want to create FCS class. So we transform record into a different variable. Through that we record our FCS to become FCS class. Don't put a space. So we come old and new. From lowest value up to 21, inonzi chi. Ino classify as what? make sure output a variable are strings, and we can increase width up to 13 or any up to 15 in number of letters is so acceptable kuti ikwane inodachi width yakati kurei number of letters akati from lowest value up to 21 ino classify as what, guys? Are we following, guys? Yes. Then from yes, then from 21,5 through 35, right, is classified as what?
Average.
It's borderline.
Borderline.
Yes. Then from 35.5 to the highest is classified as what? Acceptable. Acceptable. We click continue, right? We click change, we click OK. Tana FCS class here do. Now we want to analyze. Analyze. Compare means. District inopinda papi dependent or independent?
Dependent.
District inopinda pa dependent?
Independent.
Then FCS ndo ino depend. FCS depends on district. District is always independent. Please, someone can mute his mic. Hello, guys. Vasiri ku contributor. Yeah, you can mute your mic. Mozo taura. Mozo unmute pa muri kuda kutaura. Please, order, guys. Order. Yeah. Third chiti, district is always independent. FCS, guys, pane muna ne mic isiri kutaura. Who is that? Yeah, you can mute yourself, guys. Please mute yourself. Who is making noise, guys? Nesai, can you mute yourself?
Are you able to mute from your side?
Alright, then ndichimbo concentrate kani data irisa kuzodo tarira kuti ndiani ari kumeka noise. Guys, we are adult. We need to have order. Kauchiona pauri pane noise. Just mute yourself. Alright. Third kitty, district is always independent, and FCS do not depend on. We click option, we deselect others. Hey guys. Netsai.
Okay.
Netsai.
Hello, I'm muting.
Yeah, saka taita deselect mamwe kwa kune mamwe hapa angaripo, so we click it toita deselect tungoda min chete yema FCS, click OK. Copy, we can paste this one ku So ndo data redu apa. So we can click to select kugumira apa. Total tinomboisiya ati delete zvedu, but kana uchiona zvokunetsa zvokuselecta dzimwe uchisiya unokwanisa kungoidelete, but make sure you take this number ndo average FCS class FCS score for the whole province, for the whole district, right? So I'm going to select up until this, then insert recommended charts, click OK. FCS, make sure data rako rine ma titles, rine ma axis titles and even the main title. So we can write, this one is average FCS per district, right? This is the average FCS per district. Now we can interpret kuti wange is the FCS is more, the higher the number, the better it is, right? So Umguza is considered to be the best in a FCS, follow mu category acceptable. All of them, they fall under category acceptable. They are above 35.5. So they all fall under category 35. But the higher the FCS, the better it is. So we can now interpret, we can copy this one to interpret the data here. We can now do another analysis. Zvakakosha kuti ange akasevewa name FCS, so that kauchino opena you can see kuti iri ndore FCS. You can go there, then analyze. Toda kuanalyze descriptive frequency. Toda kuanalyze using FCS class only. Statistics, we don't need anything here. Click continue. Click OK. We can see that very acceptable. Oh, let me copy here. I'm kunyatsokuoneka. Saka tiri kuona tese kuti apa vari acceptable vangani, vari borderline vangani, vari poor vangani. So we can choose insert a chart. We can do this one pie chart. Toona kuti vari poor, vari borderline, vari acceptable. So actually unopresenta kapaita pie chart aka wokainterpreta handiti. Yeah guys, and now timsa comment. Ndozogaya ndati. Yeah.
Tikukunzwa.
All right. All right. Unobvoisawo chat title, guys. Because of our time, let me skip my chat title. Or you can insert. Murikuona ndangonomaka apa pa 3 neme frequency yawo. Saka zvinhu izvozoda ma chat title. Because ndo unoziva kuti insert recommended chart. We can see kuti unonokopa uchizipesta uku. Let me show you. Acceptable. Ava ndo vakawanda vari acceptable. Borderline hapuwa vashoma shoma. So we can actually see. You can add the data label so that you can see. Ava is 7, ava 49, ava 543. ndototaura nhamba yevanhu hatinawo and actually vari kubelonga kuacceptable vakawanda as compared to others. So as far as FCS is concerned, zvinotaridza kuti vanhu ava vasi kunyanya kutambura. So kana pachidikamwa food aid, at least panodikamwawo kuvanhu vari poor ava. Hati munoziva bhimu yaingovingawo vanhu vari vashoma shoma pasikuru, saka vanokwanawo mubhimu yekupuwa chikafu ndeava like this. So you are only targeting 7 maybe household in this whole province. Maybe vari borderline, yes, they need 1 or 2 assistants. They are not getting enough. Maybe ndo vari pa poverty datum line paipa. They are in between. They need assistance. In case zvinhu zvakawandisirawo, you can choose vaya vari below, vari acceptable, but acceptable mune levels. Kutangira pa 35 zvichienda kusvika kumberi uku, ukatorawo vari pa 35 to 50, you can choose to help them. So they are not yet there. So this is my suggestion. Zvechipai chati izvo tichishandisa acceptable, because we were given this information yana acceptable borderline poor. Ingoindika isina zvayashanda, ndo zvainoshanda izvezvi. Any contribution, guys? We can also have my percentage kuti how many people vari kufola under acceptable in 90.7. Oh, sorry, I'm opening chiya chandata chisikuoneka. Let's see. Let's use unfortunately. Yeah, we can have 90.7% vari acceptable. So actually, ukatarira apa havasi kustruggle. These actually vari mu90 can actually help vashoma ava, so that vave nechikafu. In case panoda kuuyawo madona anodawo kuzovabatsira nemaproject, livelihood projects, yeah, ndo paanoshanda ipapa here and there. As for FCS class, I think panomwe angane question yake kudhara. Is it netsai? You can ask your question since zvakada kungofanana, or we can tackle that question since zvataita apo neapo zvakada kungodi kufanana.
She typed the question. It wasn't a question as such, but it was a contribution. So arikuti network yake iri kunetsa, but she had typed mu chat kuti, hi guys, my network is bad. Did you get my contribution about HDDS measuring diet in last 24 hours? That's what she wrote, but now she's offline.
All right, okay, thank you.
I'm not offline, I'm here.
All right.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, you can give your contribution.
And it's not.
Hello? Angat for the past teaching 24 hours.
Atanzi, did you get my contribution about HDDS measuring diet in last 24 hours?
Oh, HDDS, is it for last 24 hours? Is it not for last 7 days?
I don't know now.
I think it's... Let me open somewhere where... it's actually for the previous 7 days. For the last 7 days. So it's a weekly It asks about information, as you can see. FCS, range from 0 up to 7. It asks something: have you consumed starch? How many times? How frequently have you consumed starch in the past 7 days? Or a number of days? 4 days, 2 days, 0, whatsoever, in the past 7 days. So it's a 7-day index. We can move on. Takuinda pachi. Any suggestion? All right, let's move on. Let me take a lead if you don't want. New open data. Excel original. CSR enda kumboisiya ndakuinda pana HFIAS. We click. This is our data. I'm sure Magano understand what is HFIAS. Alright. Kuti one iyo iri kurevei. Can someone interpret us? One iyo kuti. How do we know kuti collect was say? Let me use. In the past 4 weeks, did you or any household member go a whole day without eating food because there is not enough food? So if someone akati 2 and zvezvirevei, can someone answer? Hello guys, are you there?
kusatoziva shaso rako.
Anyone have information?
Yeah, triple but you say yeah.
1, 2, 3 guys. You're supposed to know. Ndakasenda maybe a link ye question yaitsanangura kuti 1 inorevei, 2 inorevei, 3 inorevei.
Yeah, maybe we missed it. National totally like manotsi awambopresent apa ari kutaura zveFCS what ukatoti tumiro the better cause zvinhu zvachona hatisati tazvibata.
Oh, let us maybe go to the link. No, we can't go. All right, questionnaire. You can go no Google apa YouTube apa. Information in the right pa indices what. It's a brief survey instrument to assess whether household have experienced problem with accessing food during the last 30 days. FCS nde 7 days. HFIAS nde 30 days. All right. In a 9 food aspects, anotangira papi. Let me show you how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 food aspects. Ma questions awanenge uchibvunzwa. Saka vakubvunza ma questions aya, vano expecta kuti answer using 1, 2, 3 kana 0. Normally saka 1 zvichireva kuti like question E, in the past 4 weeks, did you worry that your household would not have enough food? If you worry, the answer is yes. How often? If it is once or twice, you are worrying once or twice, click 1. No coding yechi, you're worrying for 1 or 2. Once or twice in the past 4 weeks. unoclicka 1. If it is 3 to 10 worries in the past 4 weeks, you click 2. If it is more than 10, you click 3. So you get the idea.
Yes.
All right. So ndakudzoka ku this data set. Sandri kuti 3e inoreva kuti this somebody is worrying for more than 10 times. Are we clear?
Times.
Yeah. Then what?
Yes.
One uyu ari kureva kuti is worrying for what? For how many times?
Is it 3 or what? I don't
No,
know.
one is 1 or 1 to 2. Then 2 is 3 to 10.
All right.
And then 3 is above 10. Oh, you need to know this scale before you. 1, 2, 3 zvinorevei. Yeah, you need to know this, guys. My battery is going low. Transform compute variable. Takuda kuita HFIAS is equal to, we add osema aspect aya utangira apa plus I'm not sure with battery rangu richandibvumirira hakuna magetsi, so maybe we can end here. Tichazopfuurira mberi maybe other day. I'm not sure with battery rangu ready, but ndakaita pa YouTube. Shit.